Jo Malone London is known for its sophisticated, minimalist fragrances that emphasize fresh, natural scents. The brand's perfumes are designed to be light, elegant, and layerable, making them ideal for daily wear. The collection includes a variety of citrus, floral, woody, and musky scents, each crafted with high-quality ingredients for a refined and luxurious experience. The fragrances are versatile, with popular scents like English Pear and Freesia offering a soft, fruity floral combination, while wood sage and sea salt provides a fresh, earthy appeal. Lime Basil and Mandarin stands out as a citrusy, aromatic classic, and Pomegranate Noir delivers a deeper, more sensual blend with fruity and spicy notes. Many of these scents are designed to be mixed and matched, allowing users to create a personalized fragrance profile. Performance varies depending on the fragrance. Lighter scents, especially those with citrus notes, tend to fade within a few hours, while richer compositions like Myrrh Tonka and Pomegranate Noir offer longer-lasting wear. While Jo Malone perfumes are not known for their intensity, their subtle nature makes them ideal for people who prefer fresh, clean fragrances that do not overpower. Packaging is simple yet elegant, with clear glass bottles, black caps, and cream-colored labels. This timeless presentation aligns with the brand's aesthetic of understated luxury, making the products ideal for gifting. The candles, diffusers, and body care items share the same high-end look, adding a sophisticated touch to any space. The price range places Jo Malone in the luxury category, with perfumes ranging from $80 to $200 depending on size. While some users feel the longevity does not always justify the cost, the quality of ingredients and the ability to layer scents offer a unique value. Those who appreciate subtle, fresh fragrances and the option to personalize their scent experience will find Jo Malone to be a worthwhile investment.